Okay, the wiring harness just got disconnected right here at the headlight. Right there. Have to disconnect that, pull it through. Once that comes through, it's loose right there. Blue side to the left. And the harness runs down and underneath, between the steering knuckle, under the fuel hoses. This other harness here that goes to the headlights, it runs behind that towards the engine block. And then it comes up right here. So we're going to go ahead and work this thing out. Right now it should be ready to come out. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. That's the game plan.